Hey Martians! In this video, I'm going to tell you about a product that I've been using for about a month. As you all know, the past few months ay nagkaroon ako ng sakit and I can't take any whitening supplements for the meantime while I'm on medication. So buti na lang, meron itong mga products na ito so that I can maintain my skin tone and tuloy ang modeling. Yun kasi ang tagline ng product na ito. Para tuloy daw ang modeling, we should use this. And tama nga naman sila. So first, yung soap na Bioxy White. What I like about this product is that it's both whitening and anti-aging na rin siya. It has glutathione, grapeseed extract, and collagen. And meron din siyang Swiss Alpine Plants extracts, 7 Swiss Alpine Plants extracts, which are known to whiten skin and reduces age spots. So this is both a face and body soap. And what I love about this is sobrang mild ng scent niya and ang bango, mabango siya pero mild lang. Medyo fruity yung amoy or medyo basta somewhere parang fruity, parang gano'n na mild lang, hindi overpowering yung scent. Kasi usually kapag masyadong overpowering yung scent ng sabon, it means ang dami-dami niyang chemicals. So, hindi na siya maganda sa ating skin. And then, after maligo, yung susunod naman is of course yung whitening body lotion ng Bioxy White din. And what's great about this is it comes in pump dispenser. So, hindi na kayo mahirapan mag-tak-tak-tak-tak. This one naman, it has carica, papaya, yung mga active ingredients na sabihin ko and also has alpha-arbutin. Alpha-arbutin, function niya is skin lightening. So, according to this, it has skin whitening active complex formula. So, sobrang economical niya. Isang pump lang, ganun. Ano na, good for sa arms na. Yan. And what I like about this lotion is hindi siya greasy and wala siyang natitirang residue. Meron kasi ako ni-review yung whitening lotion dati na after mo ilagay at tagal-tagal ma-absorb ng skin mo tapos nagkakaroon ng residue. But with Bioxy White lotion, wala kang ma-experience na ganun. So yeah, I love it. And kaamoy din siya ng soap. Then next, for the face naman, yung toner din nila. So yan, kuha muna tayo ng bulak. Nakapaghilamos na nga pala ako ng soap before ako nag-set up itong video. And this is the whitening and toning solution. Ano siya? Nakalagay dito, age-defying formula. Ang active ingredients naman itong toner nila is it has salicylic acid, alpha-arbutin din, glutathione, and Vitis vinifera fruit extract. The Vitis vinifera fruit extract, that's a technical name daw for grapeseed, parang grapeseed extract din siya. So, according dito sa research ko, yung Vitis vinifera fruit extract, it's anti-inflammatory and a wound healer. Also help exfoliate the top layers of skin, promote moisture restoration, help penetration of other ingredients, correct discoloration, and improve skin's texture. So, ang daming benefits nitong toner na to. Yun pa lang yung extract na yun meron din siyang glutathione and alpha-arbutin and marami pang iba. So, this is whitening and anti-aging din. And, nga pala, I just wanna tell everyone na hindi porket anti-aging dapat matandang-matanda ka na. Actually, by the time na we reach 20 and above, nag-decrease na yung collagen production natin. So, by that time, we should take products or supplements that has anti-aging like mga collagen, ganyan. So, yun yan. So, the-demo sa inyo. So, siguro mga 10 beses na patak na gano'n. Tapos okay na. Good for face, neck, and the nape na. So, pag nag-apply kayo ng toner, huwag masyadong madiin. Kasi, nakaka-wrinkles din pag sobrang madiin. So, dapat sobrang light lang. Yan. Then, isama nyo rin yung neck, upward motion naman. Then, para hindi siya talaga masayang, pati yung batok. Diba kasi minsan may mga libag-libag doon. So, para malinis na rin siya. And also yung likod ng tenga. Yan. Okay. So, ang gusto ko naman dito is kahit na nag-exfoliate daw siya ng top layers ng skin, hindi ko naman na experience yung parang sa iba na sobrang harsh, na sobrang nagbabalat. With this one, tamang-tama lang siya. Ang napansin ko lang is medyo naging rosy yung aking mukha. It may not show sa camera, pero sa personal, medyo namumula-mula siya. So, yun yung naging effect niya sa akin. So, after natin na mag-apply ng toner, next naman is yung kanilang day and night serum. This one is anti-aging and whitening pa rin. The whole set is whitening and anti-aging. Ito, ang dami-dami niyang extracts na nakalagay. So, hindi ko na iisa-isahin. Baka bukas pa tayo matapos. Pero yun nga, sabi dito, it can smoothen the crease lines in just 1 week. And also, marireduce niya yung pore size and age spots. So, yeah. Ang gustong-gusto ko rin dito is it's both for day and night. Yan. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng separate na serum for morning or for evening. Also, hindi siya oily sa face. Yung iba kasing serum, after kong ilagay, nag-oily yung face ko. This one, no. So, perfect siya for everyone. And this one naman, isang pump lang ay okay na rin. Yan. Isang ganun lang for the face and neck na rin siya. And pag nag-apply ka ng serum, it should be on a tapping motion para na-activate yung mga ingredients ba tawag yan, o basta yung mga nandyan. Yan. So, yun yung tatandaan nyo kapag serum. You should apply it in tapping motion. Pati yung eyes nilalagyan ko. Kasi nga nakaka-smoothen siya ng fine lines. Then, yung neck. Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung neck kasi tumatanda din yan. Yan. Tapos yung may tira sa batok. There. Then, after ng serum, meron ding complexion control whitening cream. This one naman, I suggest use it sa umaga lang. Kasi medyo tinted siya, meron siyang color pag in-apply mo siya sa face mo. It has SPF 30+. So, perfect for daytime talaga para protected ka sa sun. Tapos, may mga whitening ingredients din siya dito. May oil control, moisturizing, and wrinkle reduction din siya. So, napakaraming benefits talaga in this small bottle. Diba? So, for video purposes, hindi naman lang po ako lalabas ng bahay, pero just to show you guys kung anong itsura niya kapag nasa face na, I'm gonna apply it to my face. So, this is like CC cream kasi complexion control whitening cream. Not sure kung CC cream to, pero yun nga. Parang gano'n kasi complexion control whitening cream. So, I'm just gonna use a pump. Yan. So, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Makikita nyo, ayan o. Medyo meron siyang tint. Hindi lang nag-focus. Pero yung kulay niya sa akin, tama-tama lang, hindi naman ako nagbumukhang ghost. So, kapag mga ganito, tapping motion din ang pag-apply. Tapos, pwede nyo nang i-blend. Harap lang ako sa salamin, then I'll be back. Kasi yung camera na ginagamit ko salamin, so hindi ko ma-apply mabuti. Wait. So ito yung final look niya after ko ma-apply yung Complexion Control Whitening Cream. As you can see, hindi siya masyadong ghostly ang itsura. Hindi mukhang trying hard na puti-puti ng mukha tapos yung leeg maitim. It looks so natural, parang wala lang. So that's what I love about that product. Yung Complexion Control Whitening Cream ng Bioxy White. So if you guys are interested in these products, it's available at Magic Potions. I'll have their links in the description box, also somewhere in the screen. So yun nga, tamang-tama, tuloy pa rin ang modeling kahit hindi kayo nakakapag-take ng glutathione supplements. Buti na lang at merong Bioxy White. That's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Bye! In these products, I'll have the description